All right, guys, well, that's gonna be it for today. In the next video, I'm gonna actually move this entire vehicle out into the yard, and we're going to actually start the bodywork. Until I get to that video, I'm gonna tidy up some of the welds, finish up all the exterior patch panels, because what I'm planning on doing is doing the bodywork on the exterior of the vehicle and then work my way to the inside. The inside is going to be the very last thing because I don't want to permanently mount the inside floor panels till I know that I don't need access to those areas anymore. That's going to be somewhat the last thing I do. Tracy actually volunteered. She's going to go through and strip all the old paint off of the grill, off of the sides, and make it so when we put the body filler on, it'll have good adhesion. But that's going to be it for today. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. And also I want to thank everybody. I have reached 500 subscribers, which is actually awesome. So excited about that. It's definitely encouraging. And when I hit 400 subscribers, I had mentioned that I was going to do a giveaway at 500 subscribers. And how I was going to go about that is counting all the comments that were given between 400 to 500 subscribers and tally those up, and that was going to say who the winner was. So what I'm going to do from now till the next video, I'm going to go through and count how many comments were given by everybody. I think I know who is going to win, but I'm going to just verify that and go through and check it. And I'll actually reveal in the next video what I'm going to give away. Until that video, you guys, everybody stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Thanks for hanging out, guys.